Kwekuqala nje sitawubhekisa kubakaFuthisi. It's been a long journey, it's been a long marriage. It looks like it doesn't have any cracks. Ayaqhubeka ngilokuhle lokho. And sibonge kakhulu nje kubakaFuthisi. Indeed, we have unearthed talent. Like bengisho ukuthi there are a number of players who have played here and they've earned themselves a premiership. Nangusi ukuthi badlale ka premier. Sekhona labadlala even outside the country. Babelabanye babo captain be national team yalakithi Sihlangu bandlule khona la kule nange yakaFuthisi. Sikubonga kakhulu. That shows ukuthi how much impact Futhisi has done, not only in feeding our soul, but also producing leaders. Kwekuthi nje unga-lead the national team, it's a great honor with that individual player. Sibonge kakhulu lana. Lokunye lokungichazako ke la in our midst. Ngibona nebaphathi beHawane naloku bapronyotwa, they still recognize ukuthi sasuka la. Kuhle kakhulu Hawane Shooting Stars. Keep it up. That is good. Akusho ukuthi na sesihambile sika Super League. We don't support the league lengaphansi. Let's continue and do that. Into lenhle kakhulu. Ngitawubonga ke kuma directors ema clubs akanang asengaba together with the competitions committee. Because lokho ukuthi emaqala abe mancane kusho kona ukuthi the leadership lethutane nani is doing very well. Because ukhanze ukuthi into letinenge tikhozwa ukuthi ukhanze ukuthi leadership seyiba ne-interest seyichekela ngala Hawane Shooting Stars semba seyena bakithi why lokho. I remember we took some drastic decisions lebeka likhulu kakhulu ku-accepta, but today I think we are seeing the fruits of doing that. Before ngasho nje Mr. Mdluli ukuthi there was something which we used to do khanze ukuthi as relegate, so bokhanze ukuthi it weakens the competitiveness of the league. Sase sithi even noma ngithiwe ema club kaB asiqale B sizaw relegate la khona, the competition enyuka. Lo ngikhuluma today I think ingaba sayina 3 wema clubs ka Super League. These are the small things lo tenda konje uthi adjust ku leadership uthi nje kancane letinye tinto then they give you results. Those things I'm happy ukuthi ema teams akumukela naloku bekuyi a very difficult decision, but today we are earning fruits. I wouldn't be surprised even this year ngibona team yala ingenetulu iyaka Super League. Phela naletulu lisikhuluma nje lelenye babambene, I think babambene ngema point igame ngendeka kube ito decidewa mu the last games akhona ukuthi ngibani number 1 ka Super League. The team isuke khona la. These are the small things which they show ukuthi there's good leadership. And nani nema teams kuye kube khona lokho bese sesithanza kakhulu kunaka office, you tend to lose focus. Lana nje kuyakhombisa ukuthi sifocuse la ekudlaleni lebhola and isiqhubeka nakhona lesingakuva like Mr. Mdluli was saying. Let's sit down, let's talk about it, let's discuss it and see ukuthi siyaku. Most of the time le office ubute la office ngaho uma susuke ekusisi na ungabeva kahle ute uhambe lama tunnels, recognize them because nabo lokuthi babe kusisi sifuna produce ema leaders as impilo sika diphathele benginene kusasa kudzingeka abantu la. So we are also raising these leaders futhi kusasa babe ngalana and the like. So let's recognize them and then isifike kawo stand advise accordingly. Tsineke as advising ukuthi Sanzabon, sebenzisa the documents that we have, the constitution and the rules. Kumqoka kakhulu ke ukuthi sitilandzele leto tinto leti hibe tibadincane. Ngifuna ke sibonge nekubatana la ukuthi nje ke bavumele bantwana ukuthi nibasebenzise badlala ibhola. Ibhola has a lot in it. There's a lot. Nitawukhumbula ukuthi impi yemhlaba yesibili kwathiwa asesidlala ibhola kwaba kuphela kwayo. Nalana beshiselana 21 nitawukhumbula nga21 ukuthi kwaba kende kanjani. Kwanela kubuya ibhola sagezana tindvuma sakhohlwa ngalokuthi beshiselana tini. Sabuyela sadlala ibhola. So ibhola has a very critical role that it plays in a nation building. So it's very important ukuthi le sportless sisihloniphe sisithathe ngetandla timbili. AI is becoming a threat to us. The AI. Kanza timbo letinengi seyakhona kutenda. That's what it means. It will reduce the workforce. So, but ngizange ayiboni AI le replace umdlali grounding. So now we have to improve, especially in clubs. We have to make the environment enhancing ukuthi bantwana if adlala le sport he can live a life adlala nje le sport sodwa. Sibabonile phela abanye bathenga tindiza bahamba ngetindiza ngathi bahamba ngema Honda Fit. Funa nyalo salo producer umdlali lotawudlala ku EPL, that is the English Premiership. We have to produce that. And also the national team yet much as idlala badly, it means we haven't nurtured the players in such a way which they will compete effectively with the other countries. What does that mean? It means we have to get proper classes, funds, administration, bo coach, ungeminje umuntu lapha. Kume umuntu lo funzele letinto. But now, there would be a time whereby batali mali, babatali majotini citizen, uthi mani ngosamning trainele nangumvanami atibhola. But that it calls ukuthi le structure sakho simenjani. Where are you? Sayibona lento kanyana. What are you doing wena kule club yakho? Yini lokwendako ukuthi babe attracted. Kufana netikolo, kakugcina kufanana netikolo. Uthi wami ngifuna umntwana abe senjabulweni. Why ufuna ayofunza enjabulweni noma eWaterford noma eSt Marks? Sayibona benjalo. So we have to package ourselves as clubs in such a way ukuthi it is known ukuthi la khaya la kule team le producer badlali labatokhona ukuthi badlale banyuke le tool. So lokunye ke I combination yethu sebashito bakafuthi ukuthi the competition is very hard le labakhona khona ku the industry. What does it call? It calls ukuthi thine we have to ensure ukuthi at least lama sales which they achieved kule minyaka before they are either maintained or the graph inyuke, which means every one of us here must be an ambassador of Footies. Lokusho ukuthi nje mina nje ngibatshelile feedback sitena sihambile namabhalane sabuye ebusuku sekusebusuku cishe futhi singiyo level la 24 hours sangena sathenga. Hey, I was very much impressed. The chicken has improved I mean the test kwanyalo nje angisabuthi bengisolo ngifuna inkukhu lethide I finally find it kafuthisi mina nje I'm very much happy kunema wings ke lamahle ngile nemlangeni lana akhuluma ngawo I was very much impressed. So let us promote kwethu. This is a Swazi company. It's based la khaya. Isungulwe la khaya. Ase sekupromote lokwakithi. Promoting ngeke ngibasho ngebuma konjwa enhloko. But nje sesipromote lokwakithi. And even tivakashi natifika they have to feel the taste of chicken yala khaya. That would be good. Funake sibambane I'm happy ngive nabo ba reportile kubebete imisindvo it makes us easy angidzingi negotiate sponsor siyatirolela nje naningalwi mina nayibona indlela kanjalo it makes our work very easy nami ngiyajabula baka futhi sibatha kalahle ngisho linye liphiko iwing so that is a good thing last ikhona vele bekunene kufuna siyigathe nale plant it's our responsibility it's a plant lela dakwenza ukuthi kunebantwana bakithi labasebenta khona so we have to look at that sikugathe congratulate my champions not ukuthi nje ngicongratulated ona odwa yini I'm congratulating onke lama teams but especially congratulations to you one wisdom which you did ukuthi emajotini abeng 2 and then you crushed and made one team. That is the success. When you are united, you conquer. That's what we want. It's a very good thing to do. That is the special things. Singa kema team la manenge yebo bona ngiyati ukuthi ezayona abamanenge enzaweni but nini lokuthi nibuyenza wonye and bring all the little resources together. It makes you a formidable team, which is very good. Sin congratulate, we are hopeful we would see lena ke sekune trend lekhona engihamba emateam akhona aya qualify for Super League. These lema mini playoffs, the playoffs are very competitive. You must know your story. Next week. Yeah. They are very competitive, so you have to prepare yourself. And in Kela teams, let's come and rally behind them. Seeing Kaba Genyalo, we support one team. We are going to Bugeta now. Nyakumbula. Angitsimine ngaphuma kule team lenkulu la kaNgwane ngakhumbula nje siboleka Skara asijoyina le team lenkulu ayodlala yova naye ukuthi mkhulu kangakanani so sitake sesikubukete lento ukuthi can we migrate nisithi boleka kanje noma 3 webadlali kuleyo league ni reinforce squad se noma plan yadati nantingwazi lebeti khona. These are some of the things which would probably can entice le team and make lalabanye nabo bato supporta umdlali wabo lo sala kimi kume njalo take sikubukete sibuke nale kuthi ithini integrity of the competition sesibuke nje sibe innovative on it angibonge kakhulu sibonge ke the media houses Mr. Mdluli sive ngeke sathi ukuthi futhi siwendani as a corporate social investment without the media houses. Sibonge kakhulu nje ngibona labasikhava and batshele sive ukuthi this is what is happening eNgaba and it's powered by Footies. Lamajaha lawa ke nyalo nje lokuthi ya ngasemjaweni votsa sekunemali ke wena Mdluli nje ngelisonto sidabe sine final yeNgwenyama Cup loya winning Ngwenyama Cup so thola ithikithi lekuya Africa bangithi Macau bakhanzeke ukuthi sebafuna kuhamba nale team inkampani iyayithe ukuthi njengoba bowusho ama-budgets amatima bentima everything is going up khanza-ke ukuthi sebafuna kuhamba naleyo team kencenye i-Green Mamba noma insingizini depending ukuthi ngibani lo winile noma nyalo vele sebayingenela because uwina lo 1.45 million then now joinile leka CAF nakhona sekunesizumbula semali lenkhulu which is now attractive football. That's why I'm saying football is no more just an ordinary sport. Now sekuyibusiness lento sekufuna nje thina sekuharness kahle. There's a lot of value chain in it, so nje funa signal. So badinga ukusupporta siyafuna nje kuva kencenye wine one lo winile kuthiwe ya reporter nangimakhawe fakuthi ureporter usponsorishwe nguFooties. It becomes very nice.